Why y'all beating him?
Please remove it, please, sir. I don't want to talk anymore, sir. I'm asking you again to please remove. I'm an unarmed citizen in my home. In my home. I'm asking you, sir, to please remove your foot, because that's, to me, that's threatening, sir. So again, sir, I'm asking you, please. This is you're now in my home. You are a public servant, sir. I understand that, sir. It is me and my son, and I'm asking you to please remove your foot.
Can you listen?
You are not coming in my home.
Okay, just listen, sir.
There's nothing else to listen to. You're not coming in my home.
Sir.
I'm asking you to please leave. I'm not going to close my door and continue with my day.
Okay.
You guys have a good day, officer. Have a good, sir. Do not, sir. Sir, this is my home. Sir, this is my home. Sir, do not touch my door. Have a good day, officer. I'm no longer speaking with you. I am no longer speaking with you. You are not needed in this home.
Was there a disturbance?
I am no longer speaking with you. You are not welcome in my home. Y'all have a good day, officer.
Sir, we're not asking you. We're not
have a good say, sir. Again, officer, again. Please remove your foot out of my home.
Okay, was there a disturbance here?
I am no longer communicating with you, sir.
We're just trying to make sure.
I'm telling you that I do not need you guys.
We're not saying
it is me and my son, and I'm telling you, I'm not in trouble. But I'm telling you that it is me and my son, and I would like for you to remove your foot.
Where's your wife?
I don't have to answer any questions to you, sir. So now I'm asking you again. Sir, to remove your foot. Remove your foot out of my home. I don't want to speak anymore, sir. Okay, have a good day. I don't need you. I'm not asking you. I am in my home.
Okay, I'm not asking you.
My son is fine. I am fine. We are the only people that occupy his residence.
We gotta call.
Okay, again, sir. I'm asking you again to remove your foot out of my home. I don't want to communicate with you anymore. I do not want to communicate with you anymore. This is my residence. You are trespassing as of right now because I have asked you several times to remove your foot out of my home. So at this time, public servant, you are trespassing. So one more time, sir, I'm going to ask you to remove your foot out of my home and have a good day, officer. Thank you. Goodbye, sir. No. Sir, get away from my door.
We got to make sure.
Sir, get away from my door.
We gotta make sure everyone's okay.
Sir, I'm feeling attacked at this moment. I'm
not
asking
attacking you, man.
You're in my residence. You're trespassing.
Okay, you're trying to close the
you're
door.
trespassing because I told you that I don't need you.
Okay.
I told you that I don't need you. You're a public servant. You're a public servant. And I'm not giving you permission. I am not giving you permission to enter my residence. So if you want to enter my residence, go back to your station, speak to your captain and judge. Say, Sir, this is on live.
Move aside.
Sir,
okay,
get out.
Move aside.
No, don't touch my phone.
Okay, move aside.
CJ, close that door, son.
Move aside.
I'm telling you not to enter my residence without a warrant, sir. Without a warrant, do not enter my residence. Without a warrant, do not enter my residence. Without a warrant. Sir, you're not entering my residence. This is my home. Without a warrant, do not enter my residence. Say, y'all see this shit. I'm telling you, this is Arlington BDE, J. Cole, and E. Dickinson. I am unarmed, I am peaceful, and in my residence. I'm asking this man to remove his foot from my home. Sir, at this time, you are a public servant. I do not have to speak to you. If you would like to enter my residence, please come back with a warrant. That's it. That's it. If you would like to say, if any of y'all know my mama, bro, tag her, bro. Or Kiko, call my mama. Kiko, call my mama. Again, you're a public servant. And no, sir, I'm not. Okay. Because you are a public servant and you don't have a warrant. No, sir. No, sir, you do not have a warrant. You do not have a warrant. This is my domicile. I have the right to refuse. That's it. Sir, again. And I'm telling you that everyone in here is fine. CJ. 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 Are you okay? Okay, from the door. From the door. This is my 6-year-old son. CJ, you okay, baby boy? Okay, go back in the room and close the door. Again, sir.
You're being irrational right now.
No, I'm not, sir. This is my home. You are trying to invade my home.
We have to do it well.
You're trying to invade my home. You're looking at the residence. I'm well. Okay. You're looking at the residence. I'm well.
We got to call.
Sir, you're not going to enter my home. You do not have permission to enter my home, sir. So again, I'm asking you to remove your foot out of my residence. This is my residence. Again, I am asking you to remove your foot. You do not have a warrant. You will not enter my home. Period. So again, sir, because I'm feeling very threatened at this moment, you do not have a warrant to be on my property. Please remove your foot from my door so that I can go back and chill with my son. Please remove your foot, sir.
Sir, listen.
Sir, again, you are a public servant, and I do not have to communicate with you. So at this time, I am in the communication. So again, I'm asking you, sir, to please remove your foot. Please remove your foot. Please remove your foot from my home, sir. Please remove your foot from my home, sir. Sir, please remove your foot from my home.
We just have to do a
Sir, you will not enter my residence, sir.
We just have to do a
You will not enter my residence, sir. You will not enter my residence. Again, sir, I'm asking you, as a public servant, to please remove your foot from my home. Please remove your foot out of my property, sir.
Sir, who's all this?
Sir.
Sir, we just gotta make sure your wife is okay.
Sir,
okay?
there's no one in this home. Sir, there's no one in this home besides me and my child. Point blank, period. Okay. If you want to come in my home, then with all rights, once you come back with a signed warrant from a Tarrant County judge, you will be more than welcome. But until you have a signed warrant from a Tarrant County judge, you will not enter my residence, sir. That is my right. That's my right. So again, sir, I'm going to ask you, sir, please.
Like I
please,
said, we're not
sir.
going to do a search or anything.
Sir,
we got to do a
sir, let me tell you something. I am a very legal citizen. I'm not worried about any of
I'm not
that.
saying you're
But
not.
again,
I'm not
you
saying
don't
you're
have
not.
permission to enter my home.
I understand that, but
You don't have permission to enter my home.
We have to do.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. What code? What's the code? What's the code for? What code?
We got a call.
No. No. You are a public servant. Y'all go through a 21-week training. So in that training, they should be able to tell you the penal codes that give you the right to enter a residence. If you cannot tell me that, or you do not have a signed warrant, you will not enter my home.
Like I said,
you will not enter my home. You are looking at the resident of this home. I'm looking you in your eye and telling you I'm well. This is where this ends, sir. You're not entering my home. And again, at this point, you're really violating my rights with your foot in my property.
Sir, you're not listening to us.
I don't have to. You are a public servant. I don't have to listen to you. I don't have to listen to you. I don't, sir. You knocked on my door. I'm not asking you for. I didn't call y'all to tell me to come give y'all. I didn't tell y'all to come give me an explanation. Y'all knocked on my door.
Sir, we got a call to this location.
Sir, you didn't get a call to this location. You did not get a call to this location. Sir, okay, look, I'm not going to do this with you. Again, I'm asking you to remove your foot off of my property now. So you're going to continue to violate my rights, officer?
Sir, I'm not violating
you. You are. This is my property. This is my property. You are a public servant. You don't have a signed warrant. You do not have a signed warrant, and your foot is in my property. So again, sir, I'm asking you to remove your foot out of my property.
Are you going to listen?
No, sir, I am not going to listen. I told you what it is at this point. You guys are public servants. You're at the wrong door. You will not be coming into my home. Period. That's what it stops. If you want to enter my home, then please go back to your station, get with your captain, and get with a Tarrant County judge, and come back nicely with a signed warrant. Otherwise, this is over, sir.
No, sir.
This is over. It's over. You're not. No, you don't have to come in my home. This is my home. This is my. Are you familiar with the Constitution?
Are you going to listen?
Are you familiar with the Constitution?
You're not listening.
Are you familiar with the Constitution?
I'm trying to be rational.
Sir, I'm being very rational. Honestly, I think I'm being over rational with two. Really, because you guys are strangers to me, because I don't identify with your badge. So really, there's two strangers at my doorstep right now. So I'm being very rational. But again, this is where my rationality ends. I'm asking you to step away from my door.
I'm trying to explain.
Sir, there's nothing else to explain. There's nothing else to explain. There's nothing else to explain. I'm telling you that there's only me and my child here. So that I'm telling you now, again.
There were people fighting in here.
Sir.
And we have to come in and make sure
I'm 30 years old and my son is 6 years old. That's it. There's no fighting between me and my child. So again, I'm asking you. You just saw my son and you saw me. That's the only people in this residence. If you want to come in my home, feel free to come back with a signed warrant from the Tarrant County judge.
Sir, you're not being rational.
I'm being very rational. I'm being very rational. I'm being very rational. I'm being very rational.
So we're telling him we need to do a welfare check and make sure his wife's okay. Okay, we got a call for.
There is no wife in this home.
We had to make sure.
Sir, and again, I said, no, sir. I said with a signed warrant, you will be able to enter my home. There's me and my child in this. There's only me and my child in this home. There's only me and my child in this home. I'm saying, no, sir. Listen to me, sir.
No, listen to me.
Sir, no, sir, because you are. Okay, well, tell your deputy. First of all, tell your deputy to remove his. So you're gonna continue to trespass on my property.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you're saying you're going to continue to trespass
We're gonna make
on my
sure
property?
everybody's okay.
CJ, come to the door again, baby boy. This is as far as you're going to come in my home. CJ, is there anybody in there? No. Is there anybody in there, son? No. Are you okay, son? Are you harmed, son? Are you harmed?
Sir, what's your name?
Are you harmed, son? No, sir. You're fine? Okay, don't be scared, son. Okay? So go back in the room and close the door, okay, baby? I love you. It's okay. Again, sir, that's as far as it's going to go. You're not entering my residence, sir.
I don't care what
Without a warrant.
I just got to make sure.
It's not about what you find, sir. I'm a legal citizen. There's nothing illegal in my home. No, sir. No, let me tell you something, sir. There are four
Yes, sir.
Caucasian officers, and you're not entering my home, sir. No, sir. Without a signed warrant from a Tarrant County judge, I am not permitting you to enter my dwelling.
That's fine. We don't need a warrant.
No, sir. Yes, you do, sir. Yes, you do, sir. You do need a warrant, sir.
Okay.
You do need a warrant, sir.
Okay. We have exigency circumstances to welcome.
There is no.
Make sure everybody okay. Okay.
You looked at the two. You looked at the two accompanied residents in this home. There's no one else in this home. There has been no one else in this home. So again, sir, this is making me feel very threatened because you are trespassing.
We're not trespassing.
You are trespassing, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Listen,
where this door stops, is my property.
I'm not willing to walk away without
Sir,
knowing
I've already, sir.
Okay.
You have now, sir. Okay, so, sir.
You can let me talk.
No, this is how. No, you can have a officer, sir. You can have an officer monitor my door and go get a warrant. But without a warrant, sir, you are not entering my residence, sir. And if you enter my residence, I'm going to take that as a threat, sir.
Okay, what is
I'm going to take that as a threat, sir.
Okay, sir, we don't want to take it as a threat.
Okay, I feel very threatened right now.
Why?
Because there are 4 white officers in attack talking about a disturbance. There is no wife in this residence. You've seen the 2 accompanying people in this house.
We don't know this yet.
Sir, I'm telling you that. You see this, sir?
Here,
This is my apartment, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Nobody's entering my home, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you one chance
Sir,
that I can work with you.
I know my rights.
And
if you do that, sir, I swear to you, sir, I have 351 people on live who have witnessed that I have not given you permission to enter my home. No, sir. I'm cleaning up my home. I don't trust you, officers. I do not trust you. I do not trust you. I do not trust you. I do not trust you, and I have the right. These are my property. This is my property. I'm not yelling. Sir, I'm not yelling. I'm not yelling. I'm black. This is our. But so you take that as yelling. It's not yelling, sir. I'm speaking. I'm speaking, sir. Because, sir, not until you and your officer stop trespassing on my property. I will hold my door open. I will hold my door open.
Right now, you haven't given me any indication
sir,
that you're going to hold your door open.
Sir, okay, again, I am sitting here verbally affirming to you that when you remove your foot off of my property, I will hold my door ajar to speak with you. But until you guys stop trespassing on my property, I will no longer go any further.
Hold your door open and you walk out with it.
Sir,
and you can close
no, sir, I'm not. Sir.
Again.
I'm giving you verbal confirmation, sir, that if you and your officer stop trespassing on my property, that I will stand here with my door ajar and communicate with you. But until then, sir, I feel very threatened, and I'm not willing, sir.
Just let me talk for 10
sir,
seconds.
Okay, sir, that is how we can speak, sir. That is how we can speak. I know my rights. I know my rights. I know my rights, sir. Sir.
This came out as a possible domestic disturbance.
That domestic is between me and my son. CJ, close the door, baby. It's okay. Please close the door, son. Please close the door. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. Like, this is crazy. My son is crying, bro. You're not coming in my home, man. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. You have a badge on, sir. You have a badge on. You have a badge on. That badge makes y'all the same color, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
That badge makes y'all the same color, sir.
Can I say something now?
That badge makes y'all the same color. Okay, sir, tell them stop trespassing on my property.
Actually, right now, I see broken glass. So that's
yeah, you see broken glass. My son dropped his snack bowl.
Okay, and we didn't make
my son dropped his snack bowl.
When we get a call...
Because my son dropped his snack bowl, oh, wow.
Buddy.
Sir.
Listen.
Sir.
We get a call for domestic disturbance.
Sir.
We have to check. So that's what we're doing.
Sir, let me tell you. It's me.
Can we see your son to see his face, make sure
He just did. He just did.
Make sure there's nobody else in the apartment, okay?
Oh my God, y'all! This is what y'all want to expose my son to. CJ, no sir, because I'm gonna honor his request. Baby boy, no sir, come here, son. Come here, son. Come here, son. Okay, look, this CJ. Please step back.
Good. CJ.
Son,
Sorry,
is there,
gentlemen.
so, sir, you don't have permission to speak to my son. So, CJ, y'all gonna do this in front of my child? Y'all gonna do this in front of my child? CJ, y'all gonna do this in front of my child? Y'all are gonna do this in front of my child, bro?
Stop hurting your child. Stop hurting your child.
Y'all gonna do this in front of my child, bro? Go in the room. CJ, go in the room. Y'all really gonna do this in front of my child, bro? Y'all doing this in front of my child. Bro, say, let me go. Let me go and get out of my home. Let me go and get out of my home. Let me go and get out of my home. Let me go and get out of my home. Let me go and get out of my home. Let me go and get out of my home.